Hi, welcome to Rhythm Yoga Therapy, where we teach that rhythm is healing through yoga. My name's Michelle, and today I want to teach you a practice that I like to call mindful transition. I first learned about this technique in grad school, where our professor was telling us or showing us ways that we could really become present for our class by noticing our state before we started that class. And so it's sort of like walking over a threshold. Since that time, I've used this countless times. If you've ever taken training with me, you know I'm always teaching this because I use it myself. And so the way I use it with my students who are yoga and mental health professionals, and even my own clients, my therapy clients, is really as a way to make a boundary. So when we do this practice, we notice our state and then we do the thing, whether it's a meeting, a class, a yoga session, hanging out with your best friend, whatever it is. So we use this to notice our state before we have the thing, and then we notice our state after. And that way, if you're doing something challenging, like you have a challenging conversation or a really tough class, you can notice your state before and after. And so you're not taking on other people's things, other stuff. You can let it be theirs and this is yours. But the other way that I like to think of mindful transition being useful is that it also helps us pause if you've got anxiety. So say before the thing, you have anticipation and you're nervous. Oh my God, this math test, this difficult conversation, the whatever, we can use this to help us pause, regroup, and then do the thing. So however you want to use this, I welcome you to try it out. It's really great to take a moment to pause, check in with our state, and then move on. And it can take just a few seconds. Today, we're probably going to spend up to a minute just getting ourselves in the zone. So to get in that zone, I invite you to either take a comfortable seat or lie down if that's appropriate. If you're sitting, I welcome you to notice your feet in your shoes or whatever the soles of the feet are touching. And then bring your attention to your sitting bones, noticing whatever your sitting bones are resting on. And then finally notice your back. If your back is supported by the back of a chair or sofa, notice that pressure, that contact. If you're sitting up straight, simply notice the length of the spine. And then I invite you to notice your state. Whatever you were doing right before this, even if you're sitting in the same chair, you can think of it as being a different room of your mind, a different room and state of mind. And now, as we start mindful transition, it's like we're walking over a threshold into a new room, a new mental state. Notice right now, how do you feel? What are your body sensations? What's your state of mind? I invite you to take a deep breath in and long, slow breath out. You can take a few more deep breaths, eyes either open or closed. Just noticing your state. Taking a moment just to be with yourself before you do the thing. Take one more deep, even breath. And you're ready. Good luck with this, have fun with it, and namaste.